Okay, this is the Ritz Carlton suite. So just walking in from the door is the facade of the minibar. And then is the working area. Then this is the very, very famous corner that the living room have the full harbor view, Victoria Harbour view. It's a little bit cloudy today, but hopefully it will clear up. But this is the corner where most of the people take the photo. And the television is here. And then walking into the bedroom, it also got a full Victoria Harbour view, which is very nice. So this is our king bedroom. And then let's go and check out the bathroom. So this is the bathroom with a full-size bathtub. So this is a really full-size bathtub. And then with the full rain shower and stuff, and with a small TV, with a nice bathroom and everything you need. So here is where we will spend our staycation for a night here.